Let's talk for just a moment about this whole idea from the molecule to the ecosystem. We don't usually think about it, right? We look at a world from like an organismal point of view, right? And as you looking at your hands, you don't necessarily think about the fact that you're made from cells, you're made from tissues. Tissues have similarities, cells have similarities, they all have to talk to each other. They all have to be, everything comes down to DNA, right? The DNA encodes the organelle, or it doesn't. That creates the tissue. The tissue, there needs to be some communication to be an organism. An organism's got to do certain things to be alive, but then it also interacts with other organisms, right? And those other organisms, they are part of a community, right? Where they eat things and they get eaten, and they live in an environment with things that all affect them, right? So there could be a little virus inside of that ecosystem that affects their DNA in some fashion, and then all of that happens in the earth. So all of it is connected, and a little change in your molecule may cause you to have an advantage in a specific ecosystem, but not in another one. And those kinds of connection and those kinds of things, that's what we want you to learn.